I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove background noise from a video using Davinci Resolve Studio. So this is a short clip that I recorded in the Venetian Hotel on the Las Vegas Strip. It was a super noisy environment, and I was recording on my Insta360 camera without a microphone. So listen to the clip before we fix it.
The question today is, are AI tools making maintainer burnout worse? Are AI tools...
So you can hear that it would be very hard for someone to follow. So I'm going to show you a really easy fix for this. We're going to select the clip that we want to remove the background noise. Then we're going to go up here and pick audio. It may default to video. If that's the case, just click on audio. And then you're going to go down and select the AI voice isolation. It defaults to 100%. Let's leave it at that and see if we fixed our problem.
The question today is, are AI tools making maintainer burnout worse? Are AI tools worse?
So as you can see, all the background noise has been removed and the voice really pops. I might want to play around with the audio a little bit to get my voice to sound a little bit better, but all the background noise is gone. So that is the easiest way to remove background noise from a video where someone is talking in Davinci Resolve Studio.